Prestissima here. Today I'm so excited. We're gonna learn Happy Birthday! Yay! Now, normally you would sing this for someone who's having a birthday, right? Well, I don't know anyone having a birthday today, so I'm gonna sing it for my best friend, Presto. Okay, let's start by singing it. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Presto. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Now, let's learn Happy Birthday on the piano. Happy Birthday uses notes from the F major scale. And, oh look, it starts on middle C. So let's go ahead and look at the right hand first, like we like to do. So this starts, look, on middle C. That's always fun. And we're going to play with our first finger. Okay, again. And then up to D with our second finger. Back down to C. Oh, and then up to F with our fourth finger. And then down to E with our third finger. Hey, that was pretty easy. Let's do it again. C, middle C, up to D with our second finger, back down, and then F with our fourth finger, and E with our third finger. Okay, that was pretty good. Ooh, let's see if we can find some half steps and whole steps in that first line. So, let's find middle C. There we go. That's middle C again. Okay, going up to D with our second finger. C to D. Is that a half step or a whole step? Whole step! Excellent! Okay, and then we go back down to middle C. What was that? Whole step, excellent. And then we're gonna jump up to F. Okay, and then back down to E with our third finger. What's that interval? We have F to E. Half step, very good. Okay, I think we're ready for the next line. Let's look here. Oh, starts on middle C again with our first finger. So C again, up to D again, back down to C, and this time we're gonna jump up to the G with our fifth finger, and then down to F with our fourth finger. Do it again. C, C, D, C, G, fifth finger, down to fourth finger, F. Should we find our half steps and whole steps in this line? Let's see. So we had C, C, and then D, up to D. What's that? Half step or whole step? Whole step, good. And then back down to C. Okay, we did that one, right? Whole step. And then C to G, jump up there. And then back down to F with our fourth finger. Okay, how about that one? What's G to F? Is that a half step or a whole step? A whole step! Excellent. All right, let's go down to the next line. Oh, starts on middle C again. Love it. Middle C. Ooh, what's that? That's one C above middle C, right? So that's not this one, but up here. Okay, so we're gonna use our five finger to get there, and that's kind of a stretch, right? So we're gonna lift our hand and play that. Excellent. And then our third finger on the A, below that, and then F with our one finger below that. Ooh, we're gonna go to the E below that, but we're gonna swing our third finger over. Okay, should we do that part again? We're gonna go to the F with our one finger and then swing our third finger over to the E, like that. So F, swing the third finger over. Excellent. And then our second finger on the D. Okay, let's do that much from the F. So our one finger on the F, and then swing our third finger over for that E. Excellent. And then second finger's easy, right? For the D there. All right, let's try that whole line. Can we do it? C, we know that one, C. Ooh, and then lift our hand, jump up to that other C. Excellent. Down to the A, down to that F. Ooh, swing that finger over. And then D. Shall we try finding some half steps and whole steps in this line? All right, let's see what we've got. Here's C, we know that one. And then, ooh, remember what this one was? C to C, interval of 8. That's an octave. You remembered. Excellent. Okay, coming down to the A with our third finger, down to the F with our first finger. Okay, now how about this one? You're going to swing your third finger over from the F to the E. What's this interval? F to E. Half step or whole step? Half step. Very good. So we have the F, half step down to E. How about this one? E to D. So you have E to D. Is that a half step or a whole step? Whole step. Excellent. All right. Now this is a tricky line, so don't be afraid to practice it as many times as you want until you're super comfortable. So you have C, C, jump up to the C, A, F, swing that finger over, E, D. Okay, ready for the next line? Okay, ooh, what's that? You remember we did the sharps and flats? So this is B flat. Well, there's B. B flat is lower than B, right? There's B flat. Excellent. Oh, we're going to play it with our fourth finger. So B flat. We're going to play it again. And then we have A right below that. We're going to play it with our third finger. So right there, A. And then first finger on F. Up to G. Back down to F. We do it again. So B flat. B flat, A, F, G, F. All right, let's go ahead and find all our half steps and whole steps in this line. So we have B flat, such an interesting note. And then down to A, B flat to A. Is that a half step or a whole step? It's a half step, very good. So you have B flat, A, and then F and G. F to G. Is that a half step or a whole step? It's a whole step. Good. And then G back to F, which we just figured out. That's a whole step, right? All right. Excellent. Can we try playing the entire right hand? And I'll say all the note names as we go. Okay? Here we go. Starting on middle C. C, C, D, C, F, E. Okay, next line. C, C, D, C, fifth finger G, F. Okay, middle C again. C, C, jump up. C, A, F. Swing the finger over. E, D. Very good. Oh, remember, jump up to the B flat here with your fourth finger. B flat, A, F, G, F. Excellent. Okay, now keep practicing all of these notes until you're super, super comfortable, especially this line, right? And then jumping into that line. Okay, once you're ready, we're gonna do the left hand. Left hand. Okay, what do we have here? First we have A below middle C and F below middle C. The first one's below middle C with 1 and 3. So here's middle C. Here's A with 1 and F with 3. And they're stacked, so we play them at the same time. Okay, what's our next one? There's that B flat again, and that's going to be the first one below middle C. So if this is middle C, then this is B, there's B flat. We'll play it with our one finger, and then the first E below middle C with our fourth finger. So that's there. Ooh, that's a new combination. I like that. Let's try it again from A and F to B flat and E with 1 and 4. All right, did we get that? A and F, B flat and E. Ooh, that could be kind of tricky, so keep practicing. Let's look at the next line. Oh wait, we know that one already. Easy, B flat and E. Cool. Oh, and that's the same as up here, A and F. All right, keep going. Line 3, what do we have? Oh, A and F again. Easy. Okay, oh wait, this is tricky. What's this now? Okay, this is 2 B flats below middle C. Well, here's middle C. Here's first B flat below middle C, and there's the second one. Okay, well, since we're going from A and F to B flat, I'm gonna play it with my third finger. Yay, that's fun. Okay, A and F, B flat, A and F, B flat, A and F, B flat. Okay, I got it. Now, next line, we have the first C below middle C. Okay, with our one finger. And the second C below middle C with our fifth finger. So go ahead and jump down. And then the second F below middle C. Let's see, that's there. It's above that C. And we're going to play it with our one finger or the three finger. So if you have a little hand, or even me, I like it better than my third finger. So you could do this, or you could do 5 to 1, 5 to 3, or 5 to 1. Okay, so this line again, we have the first C below middle C with our one finger, and then jump on down, and then F. Okay, can we try it all? Let's try it. So, from the beginning, we have A and F, 1 and 3, and then B flat and E, 1 and 4, okay. And come down here, we have B flat and E, 1 and 4, and back to A and F. Oh, A and F again. And then there's that B flat, second B flat below middle C with our third finger. Excellent. And then C with our one finger. Jump down. And then F. Awesome. Look what I noticed while we were learning the left hand. So I played A and F here, right? And then I played B flat and E. If you look, A and F, the A moves up a half step to B flat. And then the F down here moves down a half step to E. So I had A and F, and then I moved up a half step to the B flat and down a half step to the E. Cool, huh? And then look, when I have the B flat and E, I move this B flat down a half step to the A, and then the E up a half step to the F. It's just the reverse. So I went from A and F, up a half step here, down a half step here, to the B flat and E, and then coming back, I just reversed it, brought this down a half step to the A, and this bottom one up a half step to F. Neato. Ooh, and one more. Remember this C here? This is the first C below middle C, and then we jump down to this C down here with our 5 finger. What's that interval? Do you remember? C to C, an interval of 8. An octave. Excellent memory. Time for hands together. Okay, let's see where we are. Remember, whenever we have these notes stacked on top of each other, we play them at the same time. But here, there's nothing in the left hand, so we're going to start with our right hand on the middle C. 2 C's there. Okay, here we go. We're going to bring in that A and F when we play the D. Okay, hold that down. On the right hand, we're going to go down to C, and then jump up to that F with your 4th finger. Okay, here we go. Remember, we're going to go to the B flat and the E. Good, and we're going to use our 3rd finger for E. Excellent. Can we just try that line again? Let's try that line again. So we have C, C, and then A and F here. D, C, F, and then change your left hand. Okay, good job. Now, we have C, C, and remember the left hand's the same. Just go up to D now. Excellent. C, up to G with your right hand, 5 finger, and left hand changes back to A and F, right hand F. Good. Okay, next line. We have C, C. Remember the left hand's the same. It's going to be A and F, but jump up with your right hand, and then A with 3rd finger, down to F, and, ooh, here's kind of tricky, because in your right hand, you're going to swing that third finger over, right? You're going to swing that third finger over, and your left hand's going to jump down to this B flat, right? So let's start from here, where you play this A and F. So the C up here, and then the A, F, and swing your third finger over and jump down to the B flat in your left hand. Aha, very good. Let's do this line again. So from C, 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 jump up and left hand. A, F, swing that finger over and jump down to the B flat. Excellent, good. Okay, last line. We're gonna jump up to the B flat up here, but with our fourth finger. So hold this B down and jump up here. There you go. And then remember, here's the C, and you're gonna play this A with your third finger. Good. F, and jump down here on your left hand. Good. And F's in both hands. Very, very good. Should we try it again? All the way from the beginning to the end, both hands. We'll go super, super slow, so don't worry. A and F. Okay, fourth finger. And then find that left hand. Good. Second line. C, C, and then same left hand. D, C, jump up to the G there. And then A and F in your left hand. Aha, good. Next line. C, C, oh, jump up. A, F, and then remember, swing the finger over and jump down to the B flat. And then jump up to the B flat up here with your fourth finger. And then C here. Jump down. Yay! We just learned happy birthday! Let's play it again. And this time I'm going to say all the letter names as we play, and we're going to play in rhythm. Here we go. C, C, D, C, F, E, C, C, D, C, G, F, C, 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 A, F, E, D, B, B, A, F, G, F. Woohoo! This time, we're gonna play and sing the song on solfege. Ooh, if you notice, happy birthday starts on so. Okay, let's try it. Remember, our one finger on the C there, and we're gonna play A and F in the left hand. Ready? So, so, la, so, do, ti. So, so, la, so, re, do. So, 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 mi, do, ti, la. Fa, fa, mi, do, re, do. Wow, good job. Okay, one more time. And this time, we're going to sing it with the lyrics. Yay! Happy birthday. And I'm going to sing it to my best friend, Presto. Okay, are we ready? Where we're starting, middle C there, A and F. Okay, ready? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Presto. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Today we learned happy birthday! And we practiced our half steps and whole steps too. We've learned a lot of songs. And I think you're about ready to put on a little recital for all your friends and family. So, remember, keep practicing all your songs and your scales. Sing as you play and memorize everything. Prestissima out!